Good morning, guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're doing a classic day in my life. This is also a really exciting video for me to film because it's in collaboration with Halara. Everything you see that I'm going to be wearing today, apart from like this t-shirt, is from Halara. I am featuring a bunch of outfits from them, styling them from like just sitting at home, getting stuff done, to going out and doing stuff. So special thank you to Halara. They were kind enough to gift me some pieces to show you, and I also have a coupon code for you guys. So I'll leave the coupon code on the screen and put it in the description box. And I will be doing a little haul because I have so many good pieces to show you. And these pieces, like I said, are not just good for working out every day, but also super great for Disney. I feel like I'm going to be bringing these pieces with me on our next trip. And I would really appreciate your guys' support on this video because for me, working with brands as a small YouTuber is just such a blessing. And you guys know I'm on a strict budget. I don't really buy clothes for myself, so for a company to reach out to me and offer some clothing pieces as a gift is a huge blessing for me, especially activewear, because you guys know I've been on my fitness journey trying to get back into exercising, and I had a lot of leggings that had holes in them, so I really needed to replace a lot of my activewear, so this was like the perfectly timed collaboration. Let's get going with the rest of the day. If you guys enjoy these types of vlog style videos, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I've been enjoying these types of videos, so there's definitely going to be more to come. So like I said, I'm going to be featuring some pieces from Halara. I'm currently wearing their loose, baggier style lounge pant, and these things have great sized pockets. This is my favorite kind of pant to wear when I'm cleaning and have to get a ton of stuff done. I just want something that's going to be comfortable, but I like to put on an outfit for the day. I don't like to just sit around in pajamas, but these are basically pajamas, but I absolutely love them, and such a fun color for spring and summer. And I've just paired it with this American Eagle, just basic gray baby tee, and I am about to just do a power hour clean. I'm throwing some music on and I am going to deep clean this space. So I'm all done cleaning for the day, and I want to pick out an outfit to wear. It has been very hot this week, 95 plus every day. So this is perfect for an outfit of the day because it is athletic wear. So it's sweat wicking. You're not going to have sweat stains or sweat marks, and it'll keep you cool and dry. So I figured, you know what? I want to pick out an outfit. Let's pick out an outfit together. I'm going to sit down and show you everything I've got and then what I decide to wear for the day. I really wanted to be selective and pick things that A, I needed, and B, I knew would go with my existing wardrobe. I picked one thing out that was outside the box, out of the comfort zone, and that is these pink pants that you guys saw me wearing. And I will have try-on clips for all of the pieces so you can see them in full depth. I ordered everything in a size medium except for these pants. I ordered a small in the pink pants just because they were advertised as like an oversized, baggier fit. So usually when something is oversized, I will order a small, mostly for the length because your girl is only 5'2", so I need as little length as possible, but these actually work nice on me. So starting with the only top that I purchased, because athletic wear tops is kind of the one thing that I wasn't lacking in, but I did pick up this one, and this is their crisscross back top, and I really like this because I wanted to prioritize pieces that could be worn to like the gym or worn working out, but also transition into going out and like doing things. And I thought this paired with like a pair of jeans or jean shorts would be honestly really cute to like go out, especially with the crisscross back detail. All of the tops have built-in bras with cups that can be removed. I'm personally just not a cups girl. I usually remove them in all my swimsuits, and I did the same with these, but I like that they give you the option and they're not like sewn in. I did try out like a range of their products, but a couple of things I got 2 things in each color. So one of those things is their skirts, their athletic skirts. I really liked the detail of this like crisscross in the front. I feel like that is very flattering. I have a pair of swimsuit bottoms that do the same. So I got this like brown, kind of like almost reddish brown color, and then this really beautiful blue color. I have been loving blue for summer, especially like this like bright, very saturated blue, so I was very happy to see they had some things in this color. And I really love these skirts. They have a little like slit detail on the side. Of course they have shorts underneath. Halara is very known for making these versatile pieces with the shorts underneath, and they have pockets. 2 other pieces I ordered, but different colors, are their leggings. So these are just their typical like skinny legging. I did order the cropped ones because again, your girl is short. These are just regular length on me. They're not cropped, as you can see. I am a pretty good judge of leggings because I work a job where leggings is pretty much my uniform. I wear leggings every day to work. I wore these to work and I loved them. They were so comfortable. I honestly like didn't even feel like I was wearing pants. They were so comfortable. They didn't dig in anywhere, and they have pockets, which is amazing because when I'm at work I really need my hands free and I can just keep my phone on me. And I also got this a brown color because I feel like this will just look so cute in the fall with like either an oversized sweater or like a flannel over top. Like I just love this little like chocolate brown color. And then I did get another pair of leggings in black. I feel like it's just classic, but I opted for the wide leg or flare. These ones don't have pockets. It's more of just like a seamless look, but I honestly don't mind that because I feel like I like these kinds to just be like seamless because they are a little bit of a looser fit on the leg. I just feel like the pockets can be a little unflattering if you also have the flare leg. The texture on these is a little bit thicker. It's a little bit more substantial than the other legging. This one is more buttery, more smooth. This one is just like thicker, warmer. I feel like these are be nice in the winter as well because they're just a little bit more substantial. I saved the 2 best items for last, and these are the 2 dresses that I got, and I feel like Halara is just known for the dresses. They have created this honestly ingenious design for their athletic wear dresses where they both have shorts underneath. They both have built-in bras. These are 2 different styles. Underneath the dress, the shorts are cut in the back. So it's just cut straight across. It's obviously finished and hemmed and everything. But if you can kind of see, I will show you guys in the try-on so it's more clear to see, but these shorts are not connected in the back, so that when you need to use the restroom, you don't have to get fully naked and sit on the toilet. You just slip the shorts off and sit on the toilet. Like, I'm so shocked that no one thought of this earlier. And women have just been having to fully strip and sit there. That is the most vulnerable you'll ever be, especially if, like, the cracks in the restrooms are wide. You know what I mean? These are amazing. These are the best athletic wear dresses. I'm probably only ever going to buy athletic wear dresses from Halara from now on, because having experienced it, I was like, this is so simple, but nobody has ever thought of this before. So good on you, Halara. This is just like their basic spaghetti strap one. Like I said, both have built-in bras. I removed the cups, but that's just my preference. And this one has a little crisscross in the back, and I really love this color. I will say a lot of their pieces come in many different colors, and they have a really good color selection as far as like some neutrals, some brights, really good tones of colors. And I feel like the colors are fairly accurate too from what you receive to the color you see on screen. And then the other style I got is the one that has more of like an open back design. It's got the little strap that ties at your neck, and then it's got this little like crisscross band, and it just kind of has all these little cutouts and openings. And I feel like this is really cute if you're going to the gym and then like meeting a friend for drinks after, or like just something like you need to go out right after going to the gym, or you're gonna exercise, go for a walk, and then you're going somewhere to grab a bite to eat or something. Like, I would wear this dress out to dinner. It is very cute, and that's why I got it in black, because I feel like black can make it look less athletic like, but even to begin with, it just doesn't look like an athletic dress, I don't think. And again, it's got the same built-in shorts where you can take the shorts off and go to the bathroom. So now I need to pick out which item I'm gonna wear. So it is hot out. I already wore the green dress in another vlog. I will say this is probably my favorite item out of all of them. Probably the thing I've been wearing the most. I think I want to wear the black dress. I think I'm going to pair this with like my white sneakers or my Converse and like my little white button-up shirt, and put together like a cute little outfit to go run some errands. So this is the black Halara dress on, and honestly, this one is my favorite. I feel like this style is even more flattering than the green one with just like the crisscross back. I don't know what it is about this, but this really like cinches at my waist. I just really love these dresses. Like, I feel like you could just wear this alone and it would be a cute outfit, but I'm going to show you how I would style it if I was going out and not just going to work out. So I feel like that already matching with the white sneakers, it just like adds a little bit more visual interest and takes away from the fact that it's more of an athletic dress and it just looks like you're wearing a little black dress. I feel like I would purposely do a little bit nicer of a bag than just like a typical like whatever throw on type of bag or tote, just to kind of dress it up a little bit more. For me personally, if I was gonna wear this outfit, I'm probably wearing it out to do errands, so I like to throw on a hat. But yeah, for me, this is definitely an everyday outfit, and I will probably be wearing this on repeat. So this was both a how to style your athletic dress and a little outfit of the day for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. Also, side note, yes, I need a bigger mirror. Like, I do a ton of these outfit try-ons, and I feel like I just need a larger size mirror, but I keep looking at TJ Maxx and I feel like they're not quite big enough. One day they will get one that I like 100% fall in love with, and I will be getting it. This is possibly the saddest snack ever, but I had the smallest amount of hummus left, so I was like, what the heck can I do with this? So I just spread it on a rice cake, and I have a bunch of pickles still left over that I need to get through, so I'm having 3 pickles and a rice cake with hummus. But I'm just gonna eat this little snack. I've obviously already taken a bite of my pickle. I have a cantaloupe that I need to cut up, so I'm gonna cut that up and eat some of that as well after I eat this. I love when groceries just arrive at my house and I didn't have to go out and get them. So let's do a very quick grocery haul. You guys know the budget's usually 60 bucks, but this time around it was 80, but that's honestly not too bad. Like I told you in that video, it fluctuates. 60 is the goal, but sometimes we're out of stuff that's more expensive, so some weeks it is a little higher, but let's get into it. I'm gonna just speed through it and show you everything. I don't have to explain everything. You guys know what bread is.